Perpay Credit Card Review. Is it worth it in 2025? So the Perpay Credit Card, issued via Perpay and Crystaltech Bank, is an unsecured credit card aimed at users building or rebuilding credits. Rather than a security deposit, it requires recurring direct deposit for funding. So it reports to major credit bureaus and offers persuasive credit building features, though it comes with fees and limited rewards. So what it can be offered for you is an unsecured and accessible credit. There's no security deposit needed. They also have a credit reporting and building, where you can have timely payments. There's also no interest on the payments when managed correctly, and they have a wider acceptance with the PayPay card. The only problem is they have high ongoing fees. They also have rewards, but are still limited and indirect. And the marketplace prices is often elevated, which the items which is frequently above typically around 5% rates. And they have direct deposit requirements, which includes some users. So, in conclusion, is it legit? Well, yes, it's a valid option for credit rebuilding. However, is it worth it? Well, it depends. However, exercise caution if you're sensitive to monthly fees or elevated product pricing, and if you lack the direct deposit and need more flexible options.